So, join me on this little walking tour. I'm starting in the middle of the property because I popped straight in to have a quick word with the manager, who kindly showed me the room first. So, this is not quite my normal style. I'm going to edit this video in little sections rather than one continual walkthrough. And I'm just going to show you what's available. And this is very pretty. I've been coming to this island now regularly for quite a number of years. And this place has never been open. It closed down and now it's reopened 7th of June last year, so that'll be 7th of June 2024. So judging by the quality of the furniture and the look of the place, it's so well kept. It's just all new really, that's it. Nice shaded area here for having your breakfast or chilling out. You've got your menus and everything here, so I should imagine if you're having your breakfast or lunch here, this is where you'll be sat. Quite a beautiful pool area. I think this is probably going to be my cover photo. Looks like all the accommodation's fairly similar. You get your obligatory ladder outside to dry your clothes on. Price wise, this place is a premium. Just chatting to the gentleman there, said you can get it cheaper if you're on booking.com and get your discounts if you're a Genius member, etc., rather than booking here direct. So yeah, all the sun lounges have got lovely new material, not plastic covers on, so they're not going to burn you once you sit down. Plenty of shades here, and you've got yourself a little bar to get yourself a nice cocktail in the afternoon. There we go. We've got another little chill out area. Obviously you've got really cushioned seats there, so they're nice. You've got another little chill out area at the front near the reception area. And I do love this big old tree. You're going to get loads of shade here. You might get mosquitoes later on, but you're going to get loads of shade during the day. Attention to detail, very high in this place. It looks like they've spent quite a bit of time planning this and getting the garden right, getting the canopies right, getting the overall feel right. I love this whitewash furniture. Looks very pretty. And the manager was so helpful to allow me a quick show round of all the accommodation, well, the room and the accommodation that they offer. There we go. Very, very pretty. Definitely for couples, this would be absolutely bang on, ticking all those boxes. Got another little chill out area here. This is quite nice if you just want to sit around with some friends in the shade, talk nonsense, play a board game, you know, have food delivered in, got a TV going on. This is above what you'd call budget standard. It's kind of like more into your higher end standard, this one. I really do like it. Here we go. Gentlemen, show me around. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you do like this kind of content, please do like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. This is a great place. Okay, let's go for a quick nosy. Aircon Villa. Let's have a look inside. That looks very, very well presented. Really nice. I've just been speaking to the manager, and he just said they've reopened in the 7th of June. So it smells really nice. Aircon, ceiling fan. Lovely little desk to work with here. Well presented, I like the touch detail. Kettle. Wash basin outside the toilet. Toilet here. Got shower with a hose. Towel hung up. Obviously, bath with your toilet hose. I've got to say, this place looks absolutely pristine and immaculate. You've got your fridge here as well. I'm not sure how much these rooms are going for, but it's absolutely pristine and looking brand new. And this is room number 3, straight outside. Quite a beautiful pool. There we go. Beach is literally 100 yards down here. That's Arthamas Boat. So if you are coming over and you're staying here, I'd recommend Arthamas Boats. And then literally you don't need to book a taxi to come and stay at Oasis Boutique Villas. It's pretty much just straight here. And just at the end here, if you like fine dining, we have Finn's Island, absolutely delicious. And just a bit down that way, if you love your burgers, we've got Tiki Bar and More, and they do the best burger in the world. I've been around the world a lot and it is the best. I've never had a better burger than there, so highly recommend it. I've done a video of that on this channel, so check it out.